What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new video. So guys, in this video we will discuss one of the most top listed AI projects from where you can generate best return in 2024. So the reason behind these projects, because they have a very strong market cap also, and if they hit their target in 2024, so how much you can generate by using $500, you can become a millionaire and even you can become the billionaire. So it's the best opportunity, and we will discuss these top listed AI projects and tell you all the details. So stay tuned guys, and please don't miss any part of this project, because in next few minutes I will tell you which one is the best for you at the moment to invest in. So let's jump in. Okay guys, let's discuss about these platforms. And AI has been a big crypto market in metaverse, and you can see due to the exponential AI technology and isn't allowing to so the fact thing 2024 is really see AI products and changing the world and possibilities and lots of information and the videos. That's why it's either way looks to be have another mesmerizing year, and especially because of billionaire looks. So यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा fetch. First, why you want to fetch? Why you want to invest in fetch? At the moment the rate is 0.60, and you can see their market cap, and you can check the value, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see the detail in the fetch, because Tramas legacy system to be AI ready without changing your exciting APIs. And next up नीचे अगर जाएंगे, if you scroll down a bit, so you will see more benefits from here. So it's very important to understand those people who want to invest in fetch. So you can see a platform connect a multiple integration and create new services. So plenty of services are available, and they have a very strong backup and strong partners community who is backing up this project. Allow you to use to access multiple services. So यहाँ पे what are the potential? So what kind of potential this project has? So here's the detail given. आप यहाँ पे इसकी information भी यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. So plenty of benefits are there in 2024, because we calculate these projects are very important to explain, because we are trying our best to provide best project to our community. And if it touch the target, you can get massive return from here. So next is render. So at the moment the price is 4.0, and market cap, you can see the market cap, and if it hit it target in any time in 2024, so you can become millionaire by using only $500 if you buy it. So आप $500 के जरिए काफ़ी कुछ जो है generate कर सकते हैं. It's the best opportunity for the investors and those people who have already lost in the cryptocurrency in the recent years. So we try our best, and we sorted out few best AI platform and blockchain platform from where our community can generate the best reward. So which reward involving the breakneck speed and network scalability and efficient infrastructure, digital rights and management, a better use of. So what are the potential of profit? So what's the potential inside, और कितना आप इससे प्रॉफिट ले सकते हैं, कितनी इनकम आप इससे जनरेट कर सकते हैं. So that's very important to discuss. तो यहाँ पे आप only a few dollars अगर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, मे बी आप $500 इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, तो प्लस अगर ये हिट करता है अपनी मार्केट को, तो प्लस 2991.27 आप यहाँ से जनरेट कर सकते हैं. ब्रॉडकास्ट इंडस्ट्री नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं. Alright, so at the moment 6.22, and market cap is 96167 something, and trustworthy proofs. And next आप you could join कर सकते हैं इस community experience AI driven innovations. And next यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे deliver our dynamic ecosystem product with DeFi NFTs, and यहाँ पे collective integration asset and tokenization smart and more. So their ecosystem, their technology is high profile, no doubt about that. because in 2024 only those projects will stay that have massive potential inside, because there in 2024 in cryptocurrency a huge amount of competition is there. That's why the team was backing up this project, trying their best to bring more benefit for the user. So how much benefit you can get from here? Partners community, you can see very strong partners community and their program. सो यहाँ पे जितने भी इनके प्रोग्राम हैं ऑल आर बेस्ट, और यहाँ से आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं जनरेट। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इसकी एट द मोमेंट अगर ये अपनी मार्केट कैप अपना जो इसका टारगेट है उसको हिट करता है तो आप +4475.92 जनरेट कर सकते हैं। सो इट्स द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी। नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं कि डॉलर सिंगुलरिटी नेट एट द मोमेंट द प्राइस इज 0.2708. So it's quite acceptable at the moment. You can buy, if you buy with $500, and if it hit the target in 2024 in future, so you can become the millionaire. You can see the BTGCC in past years. If you say watch in 10 to 15 years ago, the price was 0.00 something, and when it's pumped up, hit the market, and you can see at the moment the Bitcoin is 40,000 something range. So its development and each and everything is perfect. What are the potential profit? You can see the potential profit. It's very important because we pick the main target of any AI project, because we saw how much it can provide you in the future if you invest in at the moment. If it's hit its target, so guys, investment with 500, you can generate +2728.38. So it's a massive. Next, PAL AI. So at the moment, the price is 0.1352. Market cap, you can see here. And next, all links are mentioned and address is given, and you can buy. तो आप यहाँ पे इसको buy भी कर सकते हैं. It's a perfect opportunity. And you can see here the PAL, hello PAL, tell you about the project. So details is given. This is the perfect idea for the investors if they want to join PAL, so they can generate massive return in the future. So the power of AI and learning more. तो यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं इसकी जो बैकअप टीम है CoinGecko में, इसकी एक्सचेंजेस की डिटेल्स आप देख सकते हैं। 1% ऑफ PAL ट्रेडिंग। नेक्स्ट आप पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन इसकी रेफरल प्रोग्राम इसके में अवेलेबल है। PAL AI टूल्स, तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं माई PAL की डिटेल, ऑटो PAL. So how much profit you can generate from here if you jumped in, if you buy with $500. So in future, how much you can generate if it hit the target that has been set for 2024. Here you can see investment with $500, initial corporate price you can see here, and selling price 2.8. And if you sell on 2.8, so you can get the idea how much you can generate. Next, XI 0.7992 market cap. You can see blockchain gaming development for mass adoption. So here's the detail given. You can download on the Windows OS, and even you can download it and get more information about it. It's a very unique and special one, and best technology and best reward add in here. तो यहाँ से आप काफ़ी कुछ ले सकते हैं. You can join the community and get more information. Blockchain gaming development for the mass adoption. So यहाँ पे आप विंडो में जाके इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. They have a very strong community also. So we try our best to introduce best AI platform, and how much profit you can get, and if it hit the target in 2024 anytime, and if you buy with $500 0.07 at the moment, and selling price $10, you can get plus 5829.11. It's a huge profit. Next you can see here, next the detail is sentiment. So यहाँ पे इसकी डिटेल भी आप देख सकते, इसकी ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी, पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन जितनी भी है वो आपको अवेलेबल है. रेडी टू एलिवेट योर ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी. सो यहाँ पे आप अपनी ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी को एलोकेट कर सकते हैं कि आपने किस तरह इसको करना है. तो यहाँ पे आपको पूरा जो है वो प्रोसेस देखने को मिलेगा. पावर यू एनालिटिक्स, तो सेंड एनालिसिस रिजल्ट, यहाँ पे पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन, यहाँ पे आप इसका पोर्टफोलियो, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट की डिटेल, इवन के इट विल प्रोवाइड you the trading strategy, what kind of trading strategy you should use. So how much you can earn from here at the moment if you buy this token with $500, and if it hit the target in 2024, so how much you can generate from here. So let's see. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि अगर आप 500 से बाई करें 0.005 पे और इसकी सेलिंग प्राइस 0.5 हो, तो आप प्लस $4500, 900% आप लेक्स. नेक्स्ट इज एक्स. सो यहाँ पे 0.1689 at the moment. The current price and market cap is in front of your face. You can see here, powered by AI, show with Legend X. तो इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन भी आपको यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड है. About our company, you can get more information about their company also. So यहाँ पे जो है Legend X is a digital company engagement for the world that allows online, and we seamlessly translates, integrates, and blockchain. There is innovative governance making blockchain. So ब्लॉकचेन में जितनी भी ये कम्बिनेशन है एआई का, उनमें जो है सबसे ज़्यादा जो है लेजेंड प्रोजेक्ट है वो हमने आपको बताया. सो ट्रांसफॉर्म योर क्रिप्टो चैलेंजेस. सो यहाँ पे आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी जो क्रिप्टो के मार्केट में आप challenges को कैसे फेस कर सकते हैं. Okay guys, if you invest in this project with the $500, at the moment the price 0.16 and 4.66, you can generate $14062.5. It's a huge profit. Okay. Next, you can see the LomiWire. At the moment, the price is 0.4854. The market price, current market price, is in front of your face. You can see the current market price. So, it's my request to all investors and my community. So, don't be blind. It's your responsibility to check the market cap, its hard cap, its liquidity, its lock time period. Next, you can see if it hit the target and how much you can generate from there. And the third thing is which country is mostly engaged with this project, how much investor community invest in a different part of the countries. So it's very important to understand about that, and after that you can decide so it's better for you or not. So यहाँ पे reality impact 2.50%. And next up, the dedicated hosting on LomiWire. So LomiWire, I already introduced this platform also, but now we are gathering all these strong AI projects for you. And how much you can generate from here if it hit the target, and if you buy with $500. So in future, how much you can generate from here. So we focus the team, we focus the partners, we focus the credibility of the project in 2024. So how much you can generate from here. So let's see कि आप इससे कितना को generate कर सकते हैं guys if you invest with $400. So $400 at the moment 0.48, 765 and $60 per hour plus 61019.30. It's a massive achievement if it hit the market. Okay, hope for the best, guys. I will tell you all the story and bring for you best AI projects, and I'm sure you'll like these projects and you can invest in. And next, DexCheck. Here's the detail about DexCheck. 0.002898, and at the moment the current price is, you can see here the current price, and if you invest in this project you can generate more reward from here in the future. AI boost analytics for the crypto and dominate. So यहाँ पे आपको revolutionary platform है जो कि आपको owning crypto, NFTs and rising success with driven blockchain technology. तो यहाँ पे आपको why choose DEX? तो आप इसको choose क्यों कर रहे हैं? So there are plenty of reasons behind that. Its strongness, its capability and its efficiency and its perfect management in this project, in this platform. So next you can see its current price, its market cap and its value, and we saw how much community already investing, and in future can it be successful to achieve its target. So how much you can generate if you jumped in and buy with $500. So let's see how much you can generate from here if you buy with $500 at the moment with current price. So let's see कि आप इससे कितना को जनरेट कर सकते हैं अगर आप इस टाइम पे इसकी करंट मार्केट को देखते हुए करंट प्राइस पे इसको बाई करते हैं। तो फ्यूचर में अगर ये अपने टारगेट को हिट करता है तो ये कितना कुछ आपको दे सकता है। सो लेट्स सी कि इसमें कितनी ट्रांसपेरेंसी है और कितनी ये अचीव कर सकते हैं। 500 से 0.02 1.12 पे जाके आप प्लस और आप प्लस 500 प्लस पे जा सकते हैं। सो इट्स अ ह्यूज अचीवमेंट फॉर यू एंड million of dollars you can generate from. Okay guys, I provide you all the detail about these AI platform, and now it's your responsibility to verify each and everything, and if you think it's perfect for you, and I'm sure it's perfect because 2024 can become the luckiest year for you and you can generate best return. And if you invest $500 at the moment with current price, and I'm sure if it hit the target that have been set, so you can generate $1 million from here. So hope for the best. We will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.